Finally, the price and the rumors regarding the new notch display is confirmed, and you guys might be surprised to see that the notch is coming but not having an added option. If you are the one who are looking to get the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then the official pricing in the US will be $1149 and iPhone 14 Pro will cost you around $1049. But considering this, the iPhone 14 may cost you around $749 and the iPhone 14 Plus will cost you around $849. But in China, the pricing is way over what US offers, where the base model will start at $1,000, whereas the $1,500 price tag for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is going to be an insane pricing if it is true. Last few days we have seen a video recording on the internet that says that a new punch hole display which has the option through which you can turn on or off that particular area of the notch, but it turns out it is not going to be true because this is possibly a Chinese copy of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Unfortunately, Apple is not giving you any option to turn that off. Now moving forward, if you are wondering how big is the iPhone 14 Pro Max cameras, then somebody on the internet tried the iPhone 14 Pro Max case on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can see the difference here. As you can see, the side area is also slightly different. The back lens are bigger because of the new lens. Both the ultra wide and the main lens are going to be even bigger, which indicates that this case is not built for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And Apple is bringing the 48 megapixel upgrade for its upcoming iPhone 14 Pro models, and also Apple is trying to improve the low light imaging of the ultra wide lens. And if you are taking a shot at night, then your 48 megapixel will get down to 12 megapixel because the earlier 48 megapixel camera was adding noise. And Apple is also adding an 8K video recording option in their upcoming iPhone 14 Pro model, which is going to be nice. If you are the one who will like the always on display, then iPhone 14 models will be the best option for you, and Apple will give you this feature only in the iPhone 14 Pro model thanks to this new 1Hz to 120Hz of refresh rate. You cannot get this option feature on the iPhone 13 and the non-Pro iPhone model. And this always on display will not be the same as the Android always on display, but it will show the notification and the time and dim down the wallpaper, which will consume more battery than the normal always on display. To tackle this, Apple is going to be bringing a bigger battery on the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max with a faster charging at 30 watt. If you want to get the iPhone 14, then I would suggest go with the Pro models because they are coming with the big upgrades inside as compared to the non-Pro model, because they are sticking with the same processor, same camera sensor, and even the same design. So if you know, one of the big exciting features for the upcoming iPhone 14 are those features that are not coming in other Android devices. Now I'm super excited about the new iPhone 14 Pro Max features. Some of them haven't seen on any Android smartphone, and top of the list is the satellite feature. Apple is testing this feature on iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we may see this on Apple event. And second, we might see a space zoom with the new 48 megapixel camera. If you are thinking about the experience of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I would say that it will be heavy considering with the bigger battery. It will be heavier than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's even going to be heavier than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There's also some unexpected features we might see on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which you can see in this video. And guys, I'm super excited about the Apple event tomorrow. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.